All right, so for this first part of the sprint, I've asked ChatGPT, or I've given ChatGPT a copy of my quiz and just told it that this is the style that I write my quizzes in. So it kind of gave me both a summary of my quiz style and suggestions for improvement, which I think that is pretty cool. So for step two, I'm gonna give some parameters around language. Um, um, So I went ahead and told them, because I'm working with a very specific population, that my students are community college students and they do not have access to the internet, so they will need plain language. So now it's asking me if I need some suggestions, and I'm going to go ahead and say, um, can you incorporate some of your suggestions for improvement and make me 20 separate tests with this content that don't have repeated questions. All right, I'll take a look at what it puts out and come back. I think what was really cool about this is that it gave me an example of the first test using some of the improvements. And then before it went ahead and did the next 19 quizzes, it asked me if I need to tweak anything before it proceeds. So I really like this, but I don't like that it didn't give me the answers. So I'm going to say, please include an answer worksheet for each quiz, but go ahead and proceed with the other 19. All right, and I will go ahead and come back after I take a look at this. So it did a good job. It's continuing to create the other 19 quizzes, but the answer worksheet that it gave me is blank, like it's a student worksheet. So I think I need to adjust my prompt there. I need to be more clear with my language on what I'm asking. So I asked it to make the answer worksheet with the correct answers for myself and as the instructor to grade. So I think it did a really good job of changing the language and changing the content just a little bit so that each question is different. It also helped me with my prompting. It told me that I needed to ask for answer keys, which I think will make it easier in the future. And I'm just going to go ahead and let this continue processing. It's taking a little bit longer than what I usually do, but these are all usable quizzes, so I think it's definitely worth it.